So, ano daw ba yung niche na pwedeng i-focusan para maabot yung minimum income requirement for the Spain Digital Nomad Visa? So, it's not that simple kasi. Pero since I know a lot of people who got the Digital Nomad Visa, and I also know a lot of people na clients ko that are applying for it and have reached that minimum income requirement, I can give you a little bit of light, right, towards it. But definitely, I'm seeing a lot of like people that are in the finance side, so like accountants, bookkeepers, and they have years of experience. They have different tools and software skills. So definitely one of those. And then of course the hard IT skills. So for example, like web development, app building, coding, yung mga ganon, like me. So, medyo doon yung marami din na clients and people I know about na nakakapag-apply. And then, of course, meron din yung mga nile-leverage nila yung degree nila to what they're working on. So, for example, engineers na pwedeng mag-work from home, for example, as a consultant, ganyan, or they draw like blueprints as well, ganyan. So, definitely that's another niche that you can look into. But what my advice is, especially sa mga nagsa-start pa lang to, like for work from home or as a VA, is that narrow down your niche and be really good at it. Make sure na alam mo lahat yung software na ginagamit related to that. So you are adaptable. Kahit saan ka mang company mag-apply, or if you lose your job, because we know that work from home is not stable. You lose your job every 2, 3 years. Kaya minsan nga yung iba less than months, diba? So, as long as meron kang different knowledge of different softwares, there are a lot of tutorials online that are for free. There are a lot of content creators out there that have free, like advice or free workshops, free, like even some do free lives to teach you and walk you through stuff.